Here I am placing the wood pieces on top of this wood base. Using a pencil, I am marking the lines. Before cutting, using a ruler, I am adjusting the lines. Horizontal line is 3.5 inch and vertical line is 4 inch. Using the hand saw, I'm gonna cut the wood. Add pressure with your other hand on this side of the wood and start cutting. Always use the hand saw in diagonal version so that it cuts fast. To the edges, make sure you are stopping at the right point. With extra wood pieces, I cut out 3.5 by 3.5 inch wood squares. I am using purple acrylic paint and flat paintbrush to paint on top of this wood base. Here I created a rangoli design with some lotus. Using a tracing paper, I am going to trace the design on top of the wood base. All the pieces for Diya stand are ready. Now I'm gonna assemble them. I have the steps ready with the lotus design. I created connected pieces with the lotus design. I created two-sided base with 4 by 4 inch wood base. This side I have purple and this side I have pink. I added gold so that it goes with both purple and pink. This decor is reusable, detachable and multi-purpose. You can create different designs and use these steps to create a new unique design every time you use it. Now I'm gonna arrange these steps to create the Diya stand. Using some painter's tape and hot glue, I'm going to attach the step to these steps so that when I'm done using this stand, I can simply detach all the pieces, store them as needed and reuse them for a different project. I am attaching painter's tape to the corners. Similarly, I'm going to add some painter's tape to this wood base. I'm adding some hot glue to the painter's tape. I'm going to attach this painted wood piece to these wood blocks. Press it gently so that they are connected. Similarly, I'm going to attach this step. Using similar technique, I'm going to attach these wood bases here. Final step, I'm going to add these 4 by 4 inch wood pieces. If I want to flip these wood bases to a different color, I can simply flip these wood bases to create a different color. useful, detachable, reusable and multi-purpose Diya stand is ready. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in next video. Thank you very much for watching. How to detach Diya stand in less than 5 minutes.